Do you want to transfer your money from GCash to GoTyme Bank? Then this video is for you. Welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going through a step-by-step guide how to transfer money from GCash to GoTyme Bank. Watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. First, you have to go to your GCash app, then log into your GCash app by verifying yourself. Then you will find options here named transfer. Click on this. Here you can find the banks are available in GCash that you can transfer money from GCash to those banks. Then scroll down a little, then click on view all or this three dot button to view all the banks that are available in GCash. If you can't find GoTyme Bank in this list, you can simply search for it. Click on this search tab and type on it GoTyme Bank, and you will find the bank is available on GCash. Click on it and you need to enter the amount of the money you want to transfer to GoTyme Bank. Then enter your account name, maximum of 50 characters. Then you need to enter an account number of 12 digits. Then send receipt to, it's optional, but you can enter an email for the receipt. The GCash will send a receipt about this transfer to that Gmail. So if you want the receipt, then you can enter your Gmail. After complete all the required information, simply click on the send money button. Then you will get a review screen here. You just need to check it twice that every details are correct and the amount is correct that you have entered. Then click on this little checkbox that I confirm that the details are correct. That means this is a statement that you are confirming that the details are given by you are correct. Then simply click on pay button right down here, and beside that you will find the amount that you have entered and the currency. Then you have to enter a 6-digit code that are sent to your mobile number for a confirmation. They will confirm that it's actually you who is transferring money from GCash to GoTyme Bank. Then click on submit. Then you will see a confirm message that the bank transfer is being processed. That means they are proceeding the transfer and the money is on the way to your bank account. You can just simply download this receipt or share this by clicking on this download button and share button on the bottom of your screen. Also, you can get the receipt to your Gmail and also the alert about the transformation process, that if it's complete or not, into your Gmail if you added your Gmail in GCash. Please check all the details you have entered like account number and account name twice for avoiding any type of hassle or cancellation. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and if you have any question or confusion left yet, then you can just simply drop them on our comments below. We will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, stay tuned.